Okay, the concept's very, very simple. We all have atoms in our bodies. Each atom in our bodies have electrons. Electrons are tiny particles that move around the atoms of each individual atom. And these electrons travel extremely fast. They travel at 2,200 kilometers per second. That's very fast. And that's a 1% of the speed of light. Actually, that is 18 seconds around the world. So that's how fast it's traveling. So if you could speed or lower the speed, in other words, if you could change the velocity of these electrons in each atom in your body, you could affect time around your body, inside your body. You could actually move within time, uh, but you'll have to actually have a technology to affect the electrons' velocity, either by accelerating the electrons to move faster or deaccelerating the electrons to move slower. For example, let's say you were able to accelerate the electrons faster. You'll have the ability for your whole body to slow down because when you accelerate, once again, when you accelerate the electrons a higher speed, then your whole body will gain mass. You become heavier. So let's say you're 100 pounds, you probably go anywhere from 100 pounds to 1,000 pounds heavier in your molecular level because the faster mass moves, it gains mass. In other words, it gets heavier. So if these electrons move faster, your whole body gains mass. And by gaining mass, you slow down. Your time slows down. Where everyone around you, their time will be going a normal speed, but you slow down. More like hibernating. Think about it, just that concept. You kind of, in time sense, you hibernate. Your time slows down. So when you come back to the same time as the Earth, then Earth has already moved forward. In other words, you travel forward, first of all, by more like freezing time in your body or slowing time, and everybody's going normally. So you kind of move slower, and everybody's going faster. And then when you come back to the original speed of the entire world, then everybody will be days, months, years, or centuries. So basically, you're frozen in time. When you come back to reality, you're in the future. So by accelerating your electrons, you will be frozen in time or slow in time, and when you come out of it, you'll be in the future. That's the way it works for time travel. That's the same concept as a black hole. Anybody goes into a black hole, their time slows down. When they come out of the black hole, they're into the future because they were frozen in time, or just like a refrigerator that preserves the products or food or source. Same concept. In this concept, actually, you're frozen in time, or your molecules slow down. Anyway, that's just by accelerating electrons. Now, what happens if you deaccelerate electrons? So if you deaccelerate electrons in your body, then you'll be moving faster because everybody will be actually going at a normal speed, but then you'll be moving physically faster. So everybody around you will be in slow motion. So you'll become invisible because you'll be moving like a hummingbird, very fast, or even faster than a hummingbird, and everybody else would be walking in slow motion. Might take them several steps to go to the front door, and you're there in like 1,000 times faster. In other words, you actually would be in a time difference. So they won't be able to see you because you'll be in a different time zone. You'll be actually moving quicker than they are. Uh, so depending on how fast or how slow your electrons travel in your body, that tells you, your body, how the time frame you are in. Either you move forward or you move slower in time. Anyway, it's a very complicated concept, but it's very simple. If you accelerate your electrons, you gain mass. Your body slows down. You time forward into the future, and also you become your body gains mass. By gaining mass, that means your body becomes stronger material. In other words, if you could puncture your skin with a needle, just imagine if your body gained 1,000 times the mass of what it is. A regular needle won't be able to penetrate your skin. See the concept? So your body will be stronger, not faster, but won't be easy to penetrate it. Let's put it that way, because the mass will increase from your 100-pound mass, normal time, to a heavier mass, which will be harder to penetrate. But at the same time, your body will slow down. You'll be almost like frozen in time or slowed down. So there's pros and cons. But if your body deaccelerates as far as the electrons, then you'll be moving faster than everybody else, because everybody else to you will be seen like they're moving extremely so slow, like a snail pace, where you would be very fast. More or less, you'll be like a superhero. Think about it. Everybody's moving in slow motion, and they can't see you, but you could actually move around the world, and basically nobody can catch you, because you'll be kind of hard to catch. Imagine how could you catch a hummingbird or something moves faster than a drone? You'll be within your own bubble. You'll see everybody. You'll be the observer, and you'll be able to move faster and quicker. Pretty much everybody will be like walking so slow, so extremely slow, that you be able to be invisible, because you'll be in a different time zone within a time zone. Anyway, it's kind of hard to comprehend, but it's a fact, and it has to do with how fast the electrons in each atom in your body move. So if you could alter, either, I don't know if you could do sound waves or some kind of some form of technology in the future that can accelerate your electrons or deaccelerate your electrons, then you could actually move forward in time, or slow time itself, where everybody will be almost like stand still, but you'll be able to move among people, but they won't see you because you'll be kind of fast to everybody else. You'll be let's put it this way: you'll be untouchable, because no other human will be able to even physically touch you. You'll be so fast, you'll be amazingly fast. Anyway, that's just the concept. It's not that hard to understand. It's just Einstein's theory, and it's very, very true. EMC equals square 2. Basically, the faster you move, an object that has mass, it first of all gains more mass, and an object with gains more mass also slows time. That's for traveling in the future, like in a black hole. That goes the same concept for your atoms, each atom in your body, because you got these electrons going on 1% of the speed limit of light, So you're basically traveling at 1% of the speed of light in each atom in your body. So you're almost there. 1% of speed of light is basically 2,200 kilometers per second. That's 18 seconds going around the world. So that's how fast you go in 18 seconds. Every 18 seconds in your body, you're traveling one loop around the world as far as the velocity itself. So yes, it's very fast.